Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can replace the sky in our video using VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN Video Editor on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and click on new project. And since we want to edit video, we can choose video based and click on save. And then you can choose a video you want to replace the sky, and I'm going to choose my video from my gallery. Okay, for example guys, I'm going to replace the sky in this video. Okay, I'm going to add this video to my VN project, and then I'm going to add cinematic sky to this project. I'm going to go to the PIP and then select photos or videos, and then I'm going to choose the cinematic sky. I have just downloaded a cinematic sky from the internet, this one. Okay, you can download the cinematic sky from the internet, or you can use your own footage. And we can click on the fit or fill option to fit the screen, then go to the mask. Okay, and then select the linear mask, and we're going to rotate it like this, and I'm going to move it up and then adjust the feather. Okay, and to make it more natural, you can blend it. You can go to the blend mode. Okay, I'm going to go to the blend mode. Select this blending, and I'm going to try it one by one to find the perfect blending mode for the video. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with this one guys, hard light, and we can adjust the opacity like this and click on the check mark once you're done blending your video. Okay, and this is the result guys. As you can see that the sky in my video has been replaced with the cinematic sky. Okay guys, and that's all the way to replace the sky in our video using VN Video Editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys. Hope this video helpful for you.